Okay, talk about a great way to kick off the week for Nvidia stock. We almost hit all-time highs earlier in the day, and we went up almost 3.5% today, guys. So we have to go over the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do here as we're almost at all-time highs. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you want some free stocks, simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, man, what a great day for Nvidia stock, up almost 3.5% on the day, and we almost hit all-time highs, which, to be honest, guys, I'm not surprised. We've been calling this out, breaking down the charts, pointing to this happening potentially really early in 2025, and here we are, pushing $150, almost back to all-time highs. I'm not surprised. Guys. So let's dive into these charts. So we opened up at about $148 this morning, and we actually uptrended all pre-market. So if we're looking at where we were in the beginning of pre-market, we were at about $145, $46. Then by open, we got to $148.25, and then we ripped right out of open. This thing went all the way up to $152 per share. That was a move of about 2.5%. And then we drifted off for the rest of the day. We then sold off a bit, but despite that, even though we did that, we still crushed it. We still took out the highs from last week. Like I said, we almost got to all-time highs, and the uptrend, the reversal, looks like it's continuing, guys. So this looks really good. And with the pull down, we actually came right back to the 180 SMA. We held it as support, and we bounced off of it on this 5-day, 5-minute, heading into close, which is a good sign overall for the bulls in the very short term. So it's pretty obvious, right? We're reversing above both moving averages. On this 30-minute chart, you guys see the breakout. We're at a fresh high on the 1-hour chart as well. You guys see that golden cross breaking out completely. So, yeah, I'm not surprised. Do I look surprised, guys? I am not surprised that this is happening. On the 4-hour chart, you guys probably remember we covered this ascending triangle. We had resistance at $140, $141, and we were making higher lows, holding this trend line as support for months. I mean, you guys see it right here. For months, we made those higher lows, and now we're finally starting to break out. And you guys may or may not realize, but Nvidia stock has been flat for 6 months, 6.5 months. I mean, this stock hasn't done anything since the middle of June. I mean, we hit $140 in the middle of June, then sold down, $90. By the way, that's where I started buying this stock. $90-$95 on this dip. And each time we hit 140 after that, up until now, we got rejected for the most part, right? We kept getting hit up until now, where we're completely breaking out. The triangle's playing out, and we got about 50 cents away from all-time highs today. So, guys, for tomorrow, and honestly, for the rest of this week, I'm going to be watching $153 like a freaking hawk, right? I'm going to set my alert now. Matter of fact, I might as well do it now. Mark is at or above 153, which is slightly above the all-time high. The all-time high officially here on Thinkorswim is at $152.89, it looks like. Right? So, yeah, we got about 50, 60 cents away from that today. And for tomorrow, for the rest of the week, let's see what we do at that point. If we gap above that, break out of there, it could be a runner. It could be going up even more. All-time highs will hit, obviously, fresh all-time highs, and who knows where we're going to go from there. I mean, I told you guys my target for this year, 2025, and I guess it's more of a conservative target, if you will, but my price target is $175 for Nvidia, or was it 185? I'm pretty sure it was 185 on second thought, but either way, I think we're going in that direction. A lot of other people think as well. I think Dan Ives thinks we're going 4 trillion market cap this year and beyond. So that's insane. 4 trillion. Last I checked, it was like 3.5, 3.6. So guys, we're breaking out. We're going in the right direction. And 2025, not only for Nvidia, but for a lot of stocks out there and the indexes in the US, 2025 has started off with a bang, right? We're looking pretty good, breaking out on a lot of stocks, like I said, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. I mean, I'm pumped. I'm not surprised. Like I said 10 times in this video, I was buying this stock in the 90s and the low hundreds. I bought some just about a week or two ago at 130, 131, and I can't be more excited, man. I think 2025 is going to be big, and the stock is already starting to move. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. And by the way, if you want to sign up or check out my Patreon, that's where I'm posting my real-time updates to my portfolio. You got a bunch of other content and exclusive perks on Patreon, so feel free to check it out. Linked down below. Shameless plug, guys, if you want to go check it out. But yeah, Nvidia, I'm excited. And a lot of other stocks move today as well. We had some other AI names, if you will, move. AMD, which is Advanced Micro Devices, this moved up 3% on the day. We're pushing $130 per share again. And actually, this is a big resistance on AMD, guys, literally where we are now at about $130 per share. This was support for months. I mean, you guys can see here back in August, back in early September, back in November, December, we held support at about 130. We broke through it, right? We got to 115. You guys remember that? And now we're back to 130. This is a big spot. If we're able to get out of here on AMD, which, by the way, guys, the 180 SMA, we're at it now. It's a resistance. This has been resistance since the end of October, essentially, about 2 months at this point, whatever it has been. So AMD's got to break 130. It's got to break this moving average. And if it does, we'll be playing in this window right here, right? Between 130 to 145, which gives us potentially a lot more upside on a trade. So I'm in this as a long-term investment. You guys probably know that, but I'm also looking at it as a trade here on AMD ahead of earnings, which are coming out, I think, at the end of this month. Yeah, 28th of this month, we're getting AMD's earnings, so about 3 weeks away, guys, and this is one that I'm long. I'm long AMD. I've been buying it, and I'm looking to buy more at these suppressed levels as I am down. This is actually my only red stock right now, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's my only red stock, and I'm going to add more to it. I think it's the best value in my personal portfolio right now, AMD, so I'm adding more to that. And again, I bought more Nvidia. Now it's starting to break out. AMD, though, it's not. It's not breaking out, so I think it's still time, for me at least, to accumulate AMD. And you guys remember we called out ARM Holdings a couple weeks ago. That might have been in my email that I send out for free to all my subscribers. That's linked down below. I think we covered it. And now ARM Holdings is back in a wedge. Quite frankly, it never left the wedge. But now we're approaching this resistance, top of the wedge. The stock went up 4.5% today. So keep your eyes on ARM Holdings for maybe an overall breakout. If we take out, let's say, I would say 150, 155. If that breaks, I think we could be going a lot higher on ARM Holdings. So I'm going to set 2 alerts, 150. I'll do another one at $155 per share for now. And yeah, we'll see how that goes, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your stocks from Moomoo. It's free money, guys. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys. Cheers in the next video.